Hi guys, good morning. So this is me again. I'm back. So for today's video guys, we're going to Blue Mountain with my aunt. So magkikita kami sa Parramatta. But for now, I'm getting ready. So this is my outfit. So I have some, ano nga yun? Sports bra. And then I'm just wearing shorts. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. And then I'm good to go. So I'm using L'Oreal product. I think I've already vlogged about what are the things na I use sa face ko. So parang very ano lang talaga to na gala namin. Hindi pinagplanuhan na gala. We just we had a call yesterday. Tapos niyaya ko siya na mag Blue Mountain today, and go naman yung auntie ko day. So yeah, so I'm putting this one. This is from L'Oreal din, pore minimizer siya, which is really good and I think it's effective. Kasi dito sa Australia, springtime na, so it's kind of like hot na, and then parang very unpredictable weather. Kasi uulan, lalamig, iinit. Parang ganun ganun yung setup. So I put some. So next is this one. This is a Mako Beauty. And dye, paubos na siya dye. Gamit na gamit talaga. And now, if you are here, may sale daw ngayon sa sa Chemist, sa Coles, sa Woolies, half price na sila ngayon. Pero dahil di pa ako nakapunta dun, kahit di pa ako nakapag-bili ng refill. Chars. My God. I think ang pangit ng kasi, dahil sumama yata yung mga product na nilagay ko. And walang kamatayan, Baby Johnson. I think sa Pilipinas kasi, diba? Sino ba yung mga nakaka-relate dito? Na pulbo-pulbo lang, ganon. Tapos, okay na tayo, liptant lang. Di na kailangan ng maraming nangyayaring bagay-bagay sa ating pagmumukha, diba? So, yeah, I will just gonna, this one is from the Philippines pa talaga to. Otto yata to brand na to. Ito bigay naman ng auntie ko. And dahil pang ano na siya, parang magto 2 years na siya sa akin. Kasi dala ko pa siya from the Philippines. Hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin siya. Which is good. And hindi ako masyadong makeup person. I don't know. I just don't like a lot of product na ilalagay sa face lock ko. And yeah, I'm using eyebrows gel kasi this is good for me. Kapag makapal na yung kilay mo, na lang, eyebrows gel kasi parang nasa-shape niya yung kilay. Oh my God, what time is it? I have to go now kasi 5 minutes na lang. And yeah, I'm gonna update you. I'm using my Jo Malone perfume. Kala mo saan pupunta? Magha-hike lang pala kami. But yeah, it's better to smell good, diba? Oh my God, it's 7:25. Hindi pa po ako nakapag-suklay ng hair. And yeah, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga must-have na dalhin during your hiking. I don't know if we're gonna do hiking. Pala decision lang ako na mag-hike kami. But I need to have water, shades, should be, and have some lip balm kasi dahil must have talaga to have a lip balm. Kasi super dry dito. And, of course, I need to have this one. So, what I have here, kailangan ko ng suklay, lip balm, sunscreen. I have my wallet and lip gloss. And to have some shades. And, yeah. And then, kailangan ko pa ng, kailangan ko magdala ng cup. Need to have a cup. Need to have a hat, and then yeah, I will update you. So super yellow. Ano pinaglalaban ng yellow ko today? So yeah, I'm just gonna have my cup. I'm not gonna brush my hair. So i-brush ko na lang siya on the way. I need to have a ponytail. Hindi na ako magdadala ng powder or anything. Basta may sunscreen na ako. Okay na ako. So, yeah, makakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. But, later na lang kasi sobrang gulo ng bahay. Sobrang gulo. See ya. I'm wearing my jumper, boxer, shorts, and rubber shoes. And cap. And, yeah, it's my first time to go there. And, my God, kahapon kasi it's a very nice weather. Ngayon parang gloomy siya, beshi. And a little bit of wind. So, yeah, let's see kung tama ba yung mga decision namin. See ya! Guys, I'm waiting for my aunt to come, and then yung train namin is 3 minutes na lang, darating na sila. So I don't think na aabot kami, so I think we're gonna have the 9:30. So yeah, it's gonna be 30 minutes of waiting. Hi guys, update, nagkita na kami. So we're heading to Blue Mountain already. So Parramatta, I think an hour ba te? So an hour travel going to Blue Mountain. See ya. So guys, nakapasalubong from the Philippines. So I have this peanut kisses and asa pa? Utap. Hindi kasi siya Pilipinas. Salamat sa grasya. So may mga da. So among dara is tubig. So medyo ganito ng pero orange. Nag-breakfast ka?
Rose is life.
Nag-breakfast ka, te?
No,
so, what may breakfast?
Only water.
Diba? Wala na ang mga pagkaon dahil ako sa. So, ato ni tilawan. I think it's my first time na tilawan ni na house. So, tilawan nila gabi. O, siya lamig. So, healthy siya. Orange siya daw iya. Sana, oh! So, we're gonna have uy, grabe, struggle is real, maday magbigil. So, first bite. Lamig si Jo. Sweet siya dahil. Lamig siya dahil. Gunahan ka? Ayaw mo? Ayaw na. Orange try mo. Okay. Lamig siya. Malasahan ni Junie mo ang peanut. Malasahan ni mo ang peanut. Lisod pod. But yeah, it's good. It's good. And then I'm gonna try the utap later na. So, update yun na lang. Pag-abot na mo sa Blue Mountain. No? Mag-update rin kabot namin dito. So, ang travel the eye is if you are from Central, nanay pa doon dito. So, mukuha na gihapon. Pero, because nasa airport line ko, so, nag-red fern ko and then nag-drop ko sa Parramatta. And then, nag-wait ko for another train padung na sa Blue Mountain. At anong mahibaw? Anong pilag bayad, no? Itong mahibawaan sa Opal Card later. Para ma-share po na mong pilag bayad. See ya! So, life update guys. Ang train na among gisakyan kay need mag-stop kay na ay nahitabo sa next station. Na daw murag medyo nag-smoke na train. So, update. We've been waiting for about 15 minutes already. And then we're looking for bus na gi-prepare for us. So, follow lang me. Halika na sa kabila daw. Hindi doon. So, grabe na laag ko eh. Alin na ti, pabiyaan ta. Galing pa kayo sa Pinas? Oo. So, yes, we are chasing. And, kami kahibaw guys kung asan yun ang bus na gi-prepare sa amo. So, ipanggutom nami. Blue Mountain dapat deserve ha. Dapat nindot yun ka. Kay bagan. Wala may kay bawga sa may ipadong sunod-sunod na taon me. So kadaghang drama na nahitabo today, but we're happy. So yeah. Si tatay, ikuray na rin si Jaggy. Kapoy na siguro si tatay. Mga tatay no? Oo. So are we in the right bus area? So, okay. Nami sa Lawson suburb. So, yeah. Going kami. Update you guys pag na nag-bus. So, okay. So, nag-grocery na lang may kung sa'yo among paliton, guys. So, di kami there sa... O, saan nga? AJA? IJA. Sa Lawson. So, this is their supermarket, I think. AJ. Here. So, there special price sila karon guys. Which is good. Nasab sila yung mga ingan. Really nice. So, pwede kami picture ya. Very ka-on dili guys. When te, let's go na te. I'm scared ba? Masig mo abot si Jang sa Jud eh. Yeah. So yeah, magbayad na mi. Sabay mayangon ni mo sa atong journey karon pa daw Blue Mountain.
This is lucky.
So guys, nagay waiting. Madlock may, basig mabiyain may ba? So, or gana pa na maglibot-libot dito. Pero, dahil, basig mabiyaan may. So, di ba? Sila yung mga paing-anak. Pero daghan mi guys, di mabala ka. Daghan mi. So, life update guys. We're here, nasa bus. Going to Katumba. So, grabe na mga kadaghan.
Standing position.
Oo, very standing position na ba. Medyo gani kayo naglinya namin, no? So, yeah. See you there. Another update. We're here in Katumba. Tapos, We're looking for the bus going to Blue Mountain. Hindi ko alam. Si Auntie Sally na bahala sa akin. Are we gonna hop in? So magbabas tayo, te. Is it far pa ba? Te?
Ha?
Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba?
Ito dito.
Okay. See you guys kung anong magiging plano. So guys, pag kuan mo tubig na ilang water refill station na sila ko under. So we're still looking for the bus. Mag-skyway, tate. Oh, ano na sila ipadain na sore. Mag-skyway, tate. So we can go skyway, guys. Yeah.
Kanay.
Oh yeah, we can go.
Way. Kanay ba?
Cables. So we're here inside. J61 Laban.
No bathrooms in the valley or on East Station, only in our main building. And our last rides of the day will leave at 3:40.
Okay. Push through.
Scan, beep, push.
Yes, we're here. So, yes, so I paid for 54 and next here. So we're walking for our first ride. I'm a little bit nervous, but yeah, can do this. This is the view. Nothing to worry, guys, but I'm pretty scared. We're scared. I'm scared. So yeah, let's see.
Second time ride.
Let's Skyway.
Okay, everyone stay
So
clear.
from
Doors closing,
railway
please stay
to
clear.
Skyway. How's the experience?
Okay.
Very good. Guys, kami, kasi na ako pataas. Guys, look naman to inaog.
Pero pag munaog ka, oh, still caring.
So, next one, we're done with the cable car. We're gonna ride the Skyway. So this is our third ride. It's like Scenic Sky. Scenic Skyway. 20 to 35 minutes waiting time. Reaction, guys. Dahil nagtuya-tuya kami. Nagkiling-kiling. So, our Blue Mountain journey, guys, ay tapos na and we're heading off na. And we are going to mag-search pa may day kung asan makasakay bus, guys. Like, so, yeah. Kita may bus and then, yeah. May na-meet na mga Pinoy na nag-bakasyon sa sa dito. So, we had a little bit of chat lang. And then, what is our agenda, te? Are we gonna eat outside? Are we gonna eat or are we gonna head home na? So,
Wala man dris gawas.
I don't wanna eat here because they expensive. Ako nang gihon ako na they expensive the rate.
Na wa may kananan din eh. At dito sa atong
Katumba, there's
Bus.
kananan sa Katumba
atong
side.
ginaugan gani og gisakyan gani sa bus.
Yes. So, dito na lang may mga on or adto ta sa imong nakita na Filipino store.
Blacktown?
It's up to you. Ew, pati mong gingon na nice ang food nila.
Blacktown.
Okay. So, we're gonna go to the bus stop. I don't know if this is the bus stop side, but yeah, we're going there.
Asa man ko na bus?
Update na later. But we still have to wait for 30 minutes para mag-depart si Jay going to Central. So, yeah. Ayun. Next update, siguro nasa bahay na ako. So, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Pagod niya yung mga mata namin. Ready na siya to sleep.